Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ways that you can take Dollar Tree's peel and stick wallpaper to make some awesome crafts and stuff around your home. So stick around to the very end so you don't miss one. But as you can see here, Dollar Tree always has out a ton of wallpaper that are peel and stick, and they are really beautiful for being, dollar store wallpaper. I really love all of them, and they do come out with different and new ones from time to time, so you do want to check them out, here and there if you don't see one that you might like, right away, because they do change them out. But I found this beautiful wallpaper that has the bluebirds and the flowers. This one is so pretty. I just fell in love with this one, and you can see there's some sort of shimmer in between the flowers and the bird. I really wanted to use this as a blank canvas of the wallpaper. I wanted that beautiful picture to really shine and come through in a way. So I thought to place it inside of this frame. This frame is from Dollar Tree, and this is the larger one. I did show a way to use their mini versions of these in your kitchen, so make sure to check out that video. But this one is their larger one, and I'm going to place this wallpaper inside as a nice background, because I had an idea that you can use this for, if let's say there's something small that you want as a keepsake and you want to display it but you really don't know how. This is a great way to do that, and it's super easy to put together as well. You can even place photos in front of it, and this will be a nice background for the photo. But I really love it because you get to actually see the beautiful wallpaper with the birds and the flowers, and you can use it just like this, as I mentioned, or you can place a photo in the front and it will have a nice little background. As you can see right here, this is it all alone, and it looks super pretty and elegant just sitting there on a little side table. I think it's super pretty as it is. Just a nice way to display that beautiful wallpaper without actually sticking it somewhere if you didn't want to do that, but you actually did like this wallpaper. So this is a nice way to use it. And as I did mention, you can use it for a keepsake sort of thing. So this is my daughter's National Honor Society card. I am super proud of her, and I am thinking of placing this inside of there to to display it and really make it look nice. I think that is a nice way to do that and really put it on display and make it look beautiful. Next up, we're going to be taking one of Dollar Tree's little wooden jewelry boxes or craft boxes. I find these super cute to do many things with, so I'm going to take one of these and use this for a little DIY for that wallpaper. I thought these would be super cute to also give as gifts, because you can personalize these. You can use whatever wallpaper you want to, make these yours and the way you want to make them. I'm going to go in with this marble wallpaper from Dollar Tree, and I'm just simply making some creases, a quick little cut, and I'm going to place it on the top of this box, because we are, going to cut it and sand it down and everything, so you don't have to get it exact. And honestly, you do want some wiggle room anyways, in case you don't get the full size. You want to make sure you have extra of that wallpaper hanging over. Just cut it off and then we can sand it down later on. But I really love this, you guys, and this is super cute to give as a gift, because inside you can maybe get it personalized, write a name, a date, or whatever you want inside and give it as a gift, which I think is super cute because it's nice and handmade, and it doesn't really take much of your time. This literally only took me about 5 to 10 minutes. And again, you can place down whatever wallpaper that you would like. You can even get some off of Amazon if you don't like any from Dollar Tree. But I'm also placing some inside, so that way when you open up this jewelry box, it will be nice and cohesive with the top. I did personally like the natural wood showing in the middle of the box and around the trimming, but if you wanted, you can take off the hinges and everything like that and paint it if you want a different color. But I absolutely love how it looks just like this. I think it's super beautiful and I love it. You would have to let me know what you think. quick thank you to Techno for partnering with me for this video. This is their take note, record, transcribe, translate, summarize, and many more that you can attach to your phone. We all know that AI is taking over a lot of things, but for this little gadget, I think it is super cool to have. It does multiple things that can help you with everyday task. It is slim, lightweight, and magnetically attaches to your phone, so it works even if your hands are wet. Perfect for catching random thoughts while you're filming or multitasking. Here is a little unboxing. It comes with the manual, of course, another little manual here. And right here we have the tick note itself. It does come in the magnetic case, and to be honest, my friend, it feels really lovely in the hands. It's not heavy at all, and it's really sleek feeling and nice. You can take it out of the magnetic case, as you can see here. You can just pull it right out and place it inside for whatever reason that you need, but you can see that it attaches to your phone really nicely, just as easy as that. And you can do so many things with this. I can find so many ways that it will be helpful. You can get reminders for your everyday needs, maybe appointment reminders, ideas that you might have for your business or your channel, or for any little thing. If you want to have a to-do list, you can do that as well. You can even transcribe your words into other languages, which is awesome because you can not only record what you're recording, but you can get it in a different language. So it might help you learn new languages as well. So that is amazing. My friend, you're gonna have to go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna leave the link in my description box below because you're not gonna want to miss the deal that they are having right now. As you can see right here, you press record. If you're hearing this, subscribe. If you're hearing this, subscribe. So cool, my friends. I love this little piece that you can use for everyday tasks. You're gonna have to check them out. You're gonna absolutely love it. If you know someone who loves electronics and things like this would make a great gift as well. So go ahead and check the link in my description below once you are done watching my video. Another simple way that you can use Dollar Tree's wallpaper is for their little bins and baskets. They always have these clear ones out that I think are super nice for a lot of stuff around the house. But if you want to amp it up a little bit and give it a little bit of character, you can dress it up using these peel and stick wallpapers from Dollar Tree. If you've missed my last video, I shared how to do a little bit of a bigger project with these peel and stick wallpapers. I redid the drawers in the bathroom and they turned out absolutely stunning and really nice. You'll have to check out that video if you missed it. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but that one was awesome. I'm showing you some more simpler ways that you can use these peel and stick wallpapers, and as you can see here on this bin, it just gives it a nice little boost and some character that you might like to have. My friend, I hope you enjoyed today's simple ways that you can take Dollar Tree's peel and stick wallpaper for everyday things around your home. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel and help us reach new viewers. So please do give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed, and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to check out part 1 of my peel and stick wallpaper ideas. I'm gonna have that link in my description box below so you can check out those as well, my friend. I will see you all on my next video. I hope you take care. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.